when it was time for the South, one would have expected that the PDP, that has enjoyed so much support from the Southeast particularly, as a major driving force, support base for the party. And Atiku particularly enjoyed this support in 2019 to the maximum. One would have expected that by 2023, when there was a national consensus that power should shift to the South, Atiku should have supported a candidate from the Southeast. The same way those who supported Buhari in 2015 from the Southwest, the Tinubus, the Osibajos and others, who supported President Buhari in 2015 from the North to get power back to the North, enjoyed the same support from the northern elements in the APC going into the 2023 election. That was honor. The PDP by now should have set up a committee to admit why they lost the 2023 election, which is the evaluation of zoning formula primarily. What does that tell you? It means the North conspired to deny the South the ticket or the plan of a party that has been supported substantially by the South. I don't understand how kind of miscalculation is that. And they failed to have consequences. The only way out, the only opportunity, the only chance at all that is available to torpedo the TDP administration after 4 years only will be for the northern flank of the PDP and the associates like El-Rufai and Koda that is going through now to zero in now on a southern alternative to Tinubu. And in doing this, they should perform the miracle of the North for the first time, mobilizing massive support for the Southeast. And not the Southeast was zeroed down to that person who has shown capacity and who has been going around to ingratiate himself with northern Nigeria. On the basis of moral suasion of justice and equity for the Southeast,